Hello and welcome. This explained that in this you will be installing multiple WhatsApp in your Android phone. So first go to your Play Store and install the original WhatsApp Messenger in there. So just tap on open there and start up your set up your new account. So just allow everything that the app needed and the verification it wants. So after that, you just need to do the prompts and as usual, just do the dingly dangly, the continue, accept and accept. Do your profile info first because they will not let you slide if you don't do this. So after that, you just need to exit out, go to your settings, and in here, just tap on dual apps. Each Android must have this one or already have this one embedded to their Android phone, whatever brand it is. So just tap on the dual app and then find on the WhatsApp version there. So just tap on the enable dual apps and you'll be able to see there another dual app that you have. In the app info, you can either do another loop of making it into the dual app itself. And after that, you need to start up again a new account, but this time different. That should be it.